Hey everybody, Ricky Timms here, and I'm going to be leading a quilt project with this quilt, wonderful traditional quilt. There's only 5 blocks in it. It's going to go really quick, but it is a tribute to Odette Quilt, who was one of the preeminent businesswomen in Switzerland. She was head of Bernina for many years. And Kaye England, our dear friend, has honored her with this quilt block. And so we're going to do this together. There are 5 traditional blocks here. The setting is really easy. It's a fun summer project that we can do together. The quilt show has kits. We've got some specialty rulers that you can add on that help make the quilt easier. I'm going to be teaching you to do it with regular rulers, and Kaye has some examples of how you'll do it with those rulers. But I'm also going to be crossing the finish line with this quilt. We are going to quilt it, and I'm going to teach you how to do my marking method for free motion quilting using Ricky Timms Stable Stuff Poly. So if you go to look for the kit, definitely drop that Stable Stuff Poly into your cart as well, so that we can do this all together and get it to the end, get it to cross the finish line. We're going to have a lot of fun. There's 2 colorways, you guys, so let's do this together starting in August. It's going to be so much fun. I can't wait to do this with you guys.